Hello, artists. Have you ever wanted to capture the vibrant energy of a city street with just a few brushstrokes? In this Domestika course, join professional artist Hashim Akib as he guides you through the world of Impressionist painting using acrylics. Acrylics are a versatile medium, perfect for creating bold, dynamic pieces. In this course, Hash teaches you how to break down complex urban scenes into manageable blocks of color. You'll learn to apply the signature techniques of Impressionism, focusing on the interplay of light, movement, and color to bring your cityscapes to life. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced painter wanting to try a more expressive style, Hash will help you develop confidence in your brushwork and color application. With lessons on optical color mixing, preparing your canvas, and showcasing marks, you'll gain a deep understanding of how to create a finished piece that captures the essence of a bustling street scene. Throughout the course, you'll follow Hash's step-by-step demonstrations, guiding you to create your own vibrant urban landscape. The final project will have you completing an impressionistic street scene, using the bold colors and loose brushstrokes that make this style so captivating. Hashim Akib's work has been featured in galleries worldwide, and his decades of experience will inspire you to embrace a more expressive, abstract approach. So if you're ready to bring color, life, and light into your painting, sign up now. Click the link in the description, and don't forget to use the coupon RODLAVEL10 for an exclusive discount. Let's get painting.